played sports in high school, and I had surgery then, and I've always had problems with my knee.
I've always been very active, Zumba, working out, running or walking, and my knee started grinding and pain in it, and actually pain running clean up into my hip.
So the time came we had to seek out I had to seek out an orthopedic surgeon. I asked everyone in the community, and Dr. Cutright's name came up continuously. He actually walked me through and showed me everything that it would do, and he took a lot of time and answered every question, and I had a lot of questions. He explained it, and it didn't seem to bother him when you asked questions.
He was going to go into detail about the surgery, but I'm one that likes to stick my head in the sand. I didn't want to know, but he did talk with my husband as well, but he respected the fact that I didn't want all the details. I've just been over 4 months post-op, and I just got back from the beach, and I was able to walk the beach without any pain or anything, and I'm still recovering. It takes up, I think, to a year to probably get back to your full potential, but I'm doing great. I'm doing pretty much everything I want to do.
He's very compassionate. I felt like that he did not treat me as somebody with a knee. I felt like he treated me as a person. He took a lot of time in explaining and setting goals for me personally. So I didn't feel like it was just a cookie cutter process.
Dr. Cutright and his staff they were always there for me. They still are. If I need to call and ask a question, they'll answer it, all the way from the front office receptionists to the x-ray techs, nurses. They're great to answer any questions I have. I recommend Dr. Cutright often to folks.